Let's make a delicious and easy grilled peach and prosciutto flatbread. This is such a great recipe. You can use naan, flatbread, or pocketless pitas, which is what I'm using today. And I know you've got the grill on this weekend, okay? So I'm gonna need you to make these as either a lunch, a starter, or dinner. I don't care, they're delicious. I start off by just taking a few peaches and just cutting them into nice thick wedges. You don't want them too thin or too thick. And then just add a little bit of olive oil and toss them with a little bit of salt and then grill them on either an indoor grill pan or your outdoor grill. You're just looking to get a little color on them and some grill marks and just like begin cooking them down. You can definitely like put these raw on your flatbread if you want. I just think the texture is better if you just like give them a little bit of a heads up cooking, and I just think that they also look better. I'm using pocketless pitas today, but I've used naan bread, I've used flatbread, I've used a pizza dough, you name it, just use it. This isn't really just to give you like a recipe, it's just to give you an idea. You know, summer cooking is so laid back and I love it, and definitely play around with what you have. I'm using burrata here and I just like to tear it with my fingers. I do a half a ball per pocketless pita, but use any cheese that you want. Top with a little bit of those grilled peaches, a little bit of the prosciutto. I kind of just put them sort of surrounding the peaches, and it gets really crispy when it goes into the oven, which is sensational. Do the same thing to your other one, and like I said, use whatever you have, whatever cheese. Nectarines, plums are great, whatever, just do you. Once you have them built, you're gonna come in here and just do a little bit of olive oil, just mainly on like the edges so that the bread of your choice gets really crispy, and then a little bit of black pepper, and pop them into a really hot oven or directly on the grill until the cheese is melted and the outside nice and crispy. Drizzle with a little hot honey, and then I like to do a handful of arugula for pepperiness, and that is it. They're so easy and delicious. You will love them. This is just a really quick idea as to what you can make this weekend to serve your loved ones, and I just know that you will love them. Make them your own. They're delicious. Enjoy.